Wow, now look at this. This is amazing because there's $20 here, $20, $20, $20, 30 cents, $20, $30. So you can make this over and over again just by applying the method I'm going to share with you in this video. Here's the good thing. This that I'm going to show you right now, the website is worldwide. And as per the website, they said there is no countries restriction. So guess what? This is worldwide. So check it out yourself. Make sure that it can work in your country, as I said, as per the website, but you can make money over and over again. So I'm going to show you what to do. But if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I create videos all the time about making money online. So make sure you turn on your bell notification. Make sure you like this video. Share this video with someone as well. And I'm also going to let you know, and I'm going to share with you how you can even make more money. So don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to skip out the video. Let's dive into it and let's do this. Hey, what's going on? So as I told you before, super excited for this video because this website that I'm going to be talking about in this video is worldwide. $20 over and over again. You can make more money. You can withdraw money as soon as you get to the threshold. You can just withdraw it and you can get that money into your account. So if you're looking for some daily money, if you're looking for money that you can make every single day over and over again, now this video is for you. So let's do this. So the website we're going to visit is Paydera.com. So I know I told you the website, so don't just stop this video and just go run over there and then you're going to say, well, I don't know exactly what to do. Keep watching this video. Share this video as well. Type down in the comments. Let me know if you got any questions and we're just going to roll with it. So you can turn your time into money. There's a lot of people right now, they're at home and they're just home right now. They are not doing anything. So why not just use your time and start making some money? Make a little bit of money here and there in your spare time. So you're going to be working and you don't need any previous experience to do all of this. So no country redirection, instant payments request right away. So if you reach the amount and you want to get paid, you could get paid tomorrow right away. So you can do multiple tasks without leaving your home. If you got a phone, you're good. If you got desktop, you're good. So it doesn't matter if you got a phone or not. So you can click on here where it says you want to create your account. You can check out the surveys and all that. But let's go down a little bit more. So unlimited tasks that you could do every day. There's no limit of what you could do per day. So if you're a person that is at home, you got no job right now, you have nothing else to do but maybe with your family and stuff, and you want to do this, just sign up for this website and just start applying what you learn. The good thing is that you can even make more money just by telling other people to sign up. So they have a referral program. So once they sign up and they start doing the task on this particular website, then guess what? You're going to get paid too. So instant payments every 24 hours, they're going to pay you daily over and over again. You can get paid. So so you're going to sign up for the task. You're going to subscribe to websites and different offers. You're going to complete surveys because they're going to give you a bunch of different surveys that you can fill out. And I know some of you will say, well, I've tried different surveys before. Hey, listen, you're doing multiple tasks to get paid. So if you want to do this, if you don't want to do this and you want to upload videos and become more profitable, you can do that too. All in one, earnings in one place. You can write articles, you can make posts about them, and you also get paid and invite friends to make good revenue. So this actually is climbing. This thing is climbing because it's at 930,000 people. And if you check back in a month or 2 months from this video, I can guarantee you it's going to be over 1,000. So these are the tasks that have been completed already, and they have paid over 1.5 million. So they put 1.5, 1516K, but I know it's probably 1.5 million, it's got to be, as you can see. So the payment is sent. These are some of the earnings from different people. that already start earnings. There's $117.50. There's Pandora. Why I keep saying Pandora? It's not Pandora. Come on, Andre. It's Pedera, right? So paid era, like Pedera. So you complete tasks, you do surveys, you do all these stuff, and you get paid. So if you want to look at some of the surveys, you can click on the surveys. And once you click on the surveys, the website is going to load. Now, if you look here, you can see the different amount that you're going to get paid. So right here, it's like 40 cents is 40 cents, 40 cents. Yes, it's not a lot of money. You're not going to get rich, but it's still something for you to do in your spare time. How many times you just sit down and you're watching movie? You could do this for an hour and you could get paid. So you could just fill this out. Maybe it takes you like 5-10 minutes to do it. So fill out some of these things, right? Of course, every different countries will probably get different surveys. So there's no countries restriction. So just come through here, start doing these tasks, multiple different tasks, and you're gonna get paid. Now, if you got questions that you probably want to ask, and I know you will, is what is Pedera? It's a multiple stream of income generating website. So it's an easy platform for you to use. And how do you make money? You sign up, you just go right here. They're offering worldwide service. As I told you before, this is worldwide. So you can make money worldwide. Paid quizzes, you get multiple task channels, you can write posts, promotional videos. How can you earn? There is no limit. There is absolutely no limit. Is my country accepted? All countries are accepted and can work on our platform. You will have access. So with no country restrictions. So finally, because I know most of you want to do some things and you said, well, Andre, I tried this and it didn't work. Or I tried the first country and it didn't work. Or this or that. Now you got something that you could do. So these are some of the paid surveys that you can do. There's quizzes. You can see how much they do the payments. The payments are here. They're going to be using PayPal. So if PayPal is restricted in your country, I'm sorry, but that's what they do right now, is only PayPal at the moment. And once you sign up for PayPal, I'm sure you can create a PayPal account because there's other people that create PayPal account over and over again. So if you want to see some proof that people are actually making money, yes, people are making money from this. People are making money. There's like $28 right down here. This person has over, there's $20 there's $30 there. If you look down here, another payment of 22. So yeah, you make money just by making, so you make money just by doing tasks. You just complete the task and you make money. Now, is it a lot of money? No. Can it fill a gap? Yes. Can you do money with whatever you make? So if you want to make a little bit of money and use it somewhere else, you could do that too. But if you're looking for a way how you can make more money and implement the different methods and learn a proper skill where you can learn how to do different advertising, such as like Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Bing ads. These are the type of things that you need if you want to able to take vacations, to take trips, to do the things that you want. Now look at Facebook right here. I'm going to show you. So if you're looking for ways how you can maximize your results, that's my son right there, Mr. GQ. That's my family. So this is the family. I have to work super duper hard to, be able to have the life, the freedom, and all that stuff. So if you're looking for a change, I advise you to make a change. You need to do something else. 2 plus 2 equal 4. You can never get 6 with 2 plus 2. I know some of you will say 2 plus 2 is 22, but it's not. You have to add something to the equation. So just be brave, be bold, step outside of your comfort zone, try something new today, learn a new skill, and check out the link. So the link will be right down here, at the bottom of the video. And just download it, keep it. And then once you do that, then hey, everything will be copacetic and you're going to be ready to go. So I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share this video, let me know in the comments. And hey, guess what? I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.